to EDM Swiss. My name is Yannick Göring. I'm actually loading the software on a beautiful ROBOFORM 555p. Okay, with here the remote keyboard working. So I'm loading the software with a new USB device actually here. So the 55p ROBOFORM Charmills is with a drop tank. So the drop tank is going up and down. You have a big size X and Y movement on this machine. So it's a multi-function machine. So you can work with on left, on right, from day and night jobs. The machine is with RTC 24 position, and the chuck is a System 3R macro. Okay. So here is the machine for sale, available today. So if you have any questions, so please call me at edmswiss.com. And thank you for your regarding this video. I wish you a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.